Listen and listen attentively. We have come to the end of every arrangement for the journey to return the body of our sister Udogade. The gods of our land have mentioned the people that will go for this task. Chugo, the princess, Tadimma, Nwogo, Adamma, Ebube, Ikem Akolam, and Ife Sinachi. If you hear your sister's name or your daughter's name, pass this message across to wherever she's married to, that in the next 3 market days, she is needed. All of them must be prepared for this.
Listen and listen attentively. We have come to the end of the arrangement for the people that will go and bring the body of our sister Udogade. The gods of our land have mentioned the names of those that will embark on this journey. Chugo, the princess, Tadimma, Nwogo, Adamma, Nkemakanam, Ife Sinachi. If you hear the name of your sister or daughter, wherever she is married to, send message across that she is needed in 3 market days. They have to be prepared.
Uncle, have you heard?
I heard.
Did you tell sister about it?
Praise be to the gods. Finally.
Her name's Amok.
Chimba.
Sister.
Why are you smiling? Chimma. Wow.
Sister, you have to hurry up and come back home before the next 3 market days.
Why?
We have found out what is killing our children. I went with the princess and some of our other sisters in the village. Sisters like Tadima and Nwogo. We went to Okwo Omumo Shrine, where everything was revealed to us. Sister, that is not what I should be telling you now. I came to inform you that you have been chosen by the gods to go for the grave search.
A grave search?
Yes, sister. A grave search. That is a very long story. You have to get ready, because what I gathered is that the journey is a very huge one.
So you mean such a thing has been going on in Amuda and you never bothered to let your sister know?
Sister, I didn't know you were going to be among the people called for the grave search. I didn't know about it. I was waiting for the right time to come. So I'll just come and tell you everything.
Chima,
sister,
please, the right time is now. Let's just get done with this food so you can tell me everything. Just get done with the food.
Done with?
Yes, go, sister, go now.
So this has been going on in Amuda village. I suspected something when Dibia Kataka said something very deep.
So, did you visit a Dibia for this?
When something deep pursues a man, he needs something deep to defend himself. I never knew the Biakataka was meaning to say that someone was killed and a curse was laid. What? He didn't practically say the way we should understand it.
I will go for the search. Yes. Hence the gods has chosen me to be among the women to go for it. I will. I learned it's a very dangerous movement, but I do not have a choice. We just have to put an end to this.
I would advise you be very careful. Do not talk too much. The ghosts can be disturbed with noise and they can hurt humans.
You mean your wife's younger sister came to your house and informed you?
Eba, your wife was also chosen among those that will go for the search.
You people are making me to laugh like a drunk. This grave was dug like a donkey years ago. I know how old my wife is presently. And this girl we are talking about died years before my wife was born. How are they going to see the grave and start digging to see something they can come back with? They want to suffer this woman. Yes!
The gods sent them on this. All we should do is to make sacrifices on their behalf so that they will come back in peace.
If my wife and your wife are really involved in this, we must have to go and look for other women to marry. Yes! I'm not sure they're coming back alive. Ndoka, this is a system to use them and cleanse the land. Better go and stop your wife. Better go and stop your wife.
Because as we speak, my wife already left her mother with her younger sister, Chima.
Oh, she already left her mother.
They will be leaving the next Dikeh market day. The God chose them, not me.
Ndoka, let us start planning on how to get married to other women. Because as we speak, they are dead. Even as we are sitting here now, they are dead.
Igirigi ogo. Ezuo ka areli ozu de na totuo ngega. Agwo emekwe n'ihe o ji ghọrọ agwọ, ụmụazị ewere eke nkụ. Ọkwa oke mmụọ na-awụ mmụọ na-eri ọbara. Maka na ike nga adịrị ile, awa anya nkụ. Ndị ichie. A sị na awa anaghị agba ọsọ efife na nkịtị. Ma o nwere ife na-achụ ya. O nwee ife ọ na-achụ. Every have na o nwere ife anyị na-achụ, nwere ife na-achụ anyị. Kpọrọ ka o mee. Today is a remarkable day. Your destinies are in your hands. You are going to rewrite your destinies today. The 7 of you shall sojourn to Igrigi Forest. What is ahead of you is dreadful. Igrigi Forest is known because of its danger in sucking human blood. You must not waste time in Igrigi Forest. Go where the line na mma. Maka na agha akara aka na-akwa na-eri ngwụlọ. When you get to Igrigi Forest, you look out for the grave of Udogade. The grave is old, but those that killed Udogade used stones to identify that grave. You must look out for those stones to help you identify that grave. Those of you with the hoe should use the hoe to dig the grave. You shall all go in peace and return in peace, for I have done all the necessary sacrifices for the success of this mission. You may now leave.
I don't know why my sister Ebube was counted among this. I just have a feeling she will run back home anytime soon. How? I know my sister. She doesn't have courage at all. She fears a lot. She should have just stayed back and not go with them.
Chima, you're not wiser than the gods that appointed her. Funny enough, I don't see her as such. I was seeing a brave woman who can do wonders out there.
May the gods lead them safely and bring them back home with the spirit of Udogadi, which was left in Igribi forest for years.
My sisters, if the gods do this for us, I would personally go to Agadiwanye with a she-goat just to tell her thank you.
I was having such in mind, but since you've said it, I'll do so with a hen. I still have my cock.
Agadiwanye does not accept anything that is not female. Whatever you want to give to her must be a she, because the deity is a she. That is why the priestess is serving her.
Yes, you're right. Okay, in that case, I will go with my she-goat.
Yes, Chima. If you go with your she-goat, which one will be breeding kids again?
My friend, the gods will provide.
Ebube, what is it? What is the problem? Remember that Etiko warned us not to shout in this noise. He said the spirit will not like noise. I want to go back. I cannot continue. I'd rather stay without having a child than die in this lonely bush. For me, I need a child. Me too, I want children. A child of my own that will grow up to be a woman like me. If you do not want to continue this journey, do not discourage others. You can go. That's your princess. Go, continue. Ebube, come back here. Ebube. Let's go. Let's go.
Ndoka. Are you not hearing me? I'm calling you Ndoka. Huh?
Oh, I am seriously thinking we should go and see Akataka and know our fate.
We can't, keep folding our hands and swallowing saliva each time we see beautiful women. We are men, we have blood going through our veins. Let's see him and know if our wives are coming back or not. This is not funny.
Seeing Akataka is spending money. Akataka is a very costly dibia. Instead of seeing Akataka, why don't we save that money and get married to another woman? Beautiful woman. Because I'm sure these women are gone. Look, this is even better for you. It's a very great opportunity for you to go and select a very beautiful maiden. Are you hearing me? At least now that your wife Hipopo is dead, get married to another wife.
See, stop calling my wife Hipopo. My wife is not hippopotamus. Wait, Iqbal. Are you aware that the princess of that community is with them? As a matter of fact, she's the leader.
And so what? If she's the princess, is she above that? No, if the princess, can she die? I don't know why you don't take my words. Look, all of them will die. What am I even... In fact, they are dead. This is not the first time I'm saying it. Not the second, will not even be the third. They have used them to cleanse the land of Amoda. That is their village. Then as for Akataka, I won't go to ask what I already know. Because he will tell you the same thing. They are dead. They are gone. So let us do the needful by going to the village to search for young, beautiful maiden that will suit us. So leave hippopotamus to go and die. Look, let us. There are beautiful women everywhere. Fine girls, fresh girls. Let's forget all these ones. At least we will refresh ourselves. When you get a very young girl, you refresh yourself.
No, is my wife not young? Who is young? Hippopotamus. You say he's young. Huh? I told you when you went to marry that woman that she will turn to hippopotamus. That she will turn to a very big mountain. Look at what you have been carrying. I'm advising you, let us go and get a pretty girl. You're telling me that hippopotamus.
Izzy, I'm not done. I'm hungry.
I saw it as
Oh, very good.
We can use it to eat the yam.
Yes.
Is it done? Can test it.
But Nwogo, who advised you to bring yam along?
It's my younger sister. You know, she told me that she kept one yam in my bag and some oil. I didn't even know who told her to do that.
Yeah. Obi-Wan, she knew her sister would be hungry. And she slipped in oil and yam for her. Like I knew I got my stick of fire with me.
My princess.
Okay, fine.
Hugo! Hugo!
I can still hear my name. Don't answer.
Spirits have a way of calling someone, and it leads to death.
We must leave here now. We must leave here now. We better leave than putting ourselves in danger. Let us leave. No. This sounds like a human voice. I can hear it. I can hear it.
The spirits already know our names. We are in trouble. No. We are in serious trouble.
No. We have to keep calm. Wait. It sounds like Ebube's voice. Could it be that she never left? Could it be? Adama, please come with me.
Come with you to where? I'm not going anywhere.
I'm going.
Mama. You're going. I'll go with you.
Let's go. Hey, Ebube.
My princess.
Please bring her back.
Your princess, Guinea. Bring oil, Kaitaji. See your princess. Bring oil, let's eat here. Yes. You are not hungry, obviously. Let's eat.
Are you still hearing the voice? No. The voice comes and goes. I've not heard it for now. But I believe it will come soon.
It's strange. Please, let's go back. When a bad masquerade wants to flog a woman, it hides in the bush. This might not even be Ebube's voice for real. Please.
No. I can feel it. The name. The name. Who is that? Ebube. Ebube, where are you?
But Ebube, we are not seeing you. Where exactly are you? Please. Where exactly are you?
Please come forward. I'm here, please. I'm trapped.
Come forward. Ebube! Is this you? Wait, hold on.
Please, I can see it.
Ebube.
I want to follow you. I've changed my mind.
You do what you've done to yourself and let's go.
Okay, please.
Okay. I'll help you. Ebube. How far now? You're too heavy.
Let me help myself.
Okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. You'll be fine. Next time you will listen.
I'm going now.
If your mother, Abosa, it did not go again.
Hey, my princess, where did you find her? Sincerely, I just knew that voice sounds like hers.
Enough already, please. Let's put the blame aside and face our task. We are here for something very important. Where is my own yam?
She needs more of this yam. Look at her, she's breathing. Where is mine? I was actually hungry. I want to go. I will not stay with you again. Where were you coming from? Why did you come back? Say something.
People, did you not miss me?
You did not. Did you see the way she fell? Did you see the way she fell?
Today is exactly 4 days these children left for this journey. And we have not heard anything about them. Have they gotten to the Igirigi mountain? What have they been eating? If they eventually get to the mountain, how would they now know the exact place Udogadi was buried? These are the things that have been bothering me.
Mama, I am not bothered. Because the gods of our land know why they left the younger ones and chose Adama and others. The most important thing is their safety. Hey Mama, do you know I had a dream when most of them didn't come back? Yes. Though I don't want the dream to bother me.
Dreams are realities. The gods show things that will happen through dreams. I hate your dreams because your dreams always turns to be exactly the way you dreamed it. Now tell me, who and who did you see that made it?
I saw about 3 of them, but I couldn't see their faces.
The gods should please spare my daughter. The gods should please spare my daughter.
And kill others. No, Mama. The gods should please spare them all. Mama, we must all wait to see the outcome of this journey.
Just now.
gadi nwanne bia umunne gi na kpodo bia sa udo gadi nwanne bia udo gadi nwanne bia udo gadi nwanne bia umunne gi na kpodo bia sa
When I told you to use your authority to stop Chugo from going to that search, you did not listen. Yes, Mkwanu, you did not listen. Today is how many days? I'm not even sure if they've gone half. Men like you are not supposed to joke with their only faith.
Woman, Chugo is married and does not belong here. Any child from Chugo is your grandchild, but does also not belong here. I think what you should be talking about now is to either get a new wife or shut up. What are you saying? You heard me right. Why are you crying over someone that belongs to another? If I have a son, will I be listening to you? That this throne will soon leave this place does not bother you. Chugo's husband has not shown up ever since she left his house. You are not bothered. I think as a mother, you should be concerned.
And you think that Chugo will go back to him? Because I did not tell you the rubbish that idiot said, just because Chugo lost her child. Chugo did not tell you that the husband pushed her and she sustained an injury. Or no, Barogi? She did not tell you how bad the husband treated her. She is not happy with the husband. And let me tell you, the marriage might end up if she comes back alive. That is it.
Nobody told me all this. Nobody told me all this. Nobody.
Chugo knows your temperament. That's why she did not tell you. Oh my kiss a wee way.
Why are you sitting here all alone? Are you thinking about your wife? Huh?
Hey, Ba, I think I have to go and see her family. It's somehow that a woman you claim you love was counted among those that will liberate her village. And I've not gone to see her mother or her brothers, at least to show concern.
Ndoka, Ibu me. Did they consult you when she was counted? I mean, did they inform you as a mark of respect for an in-law like you before she was sent to that dangerous mission? Look, this is not bother me. And I don't want it to bother you. What I think you should be thinking of now is how to get a new wife.
Ekpa, please, stop giving such advice. As soon as we came back from Akataka Shrine, you ordered your wife to leave. She left and was counted among those that will go for that dangerous mission, if I should borrow your word. Are you not supposed to go and see your in-laws? Ekpa, Mogo already gave you a son. And I'm here to have a living child. Let's just hope that after this journey everything will be fine. Let's wait on the gods.
You can wait on the gods. Ndoka, you can wait on the gods. See, I have seen a very beautiful woman from Chekibo clan. And I want you to accompany me to go and see her parents. Whether these women survive or not, it's not my business. Are you in or not?
I am not. I am not in. We married two friends from the same village. You already have a son. Hey, but let's just wait for this journey to end. Let's just be patient. Let's not sit here and decide for the gods. not in. I'm not going with you.
Okay. You are not in.
I'm not in.
You are not in. When I told you not to marry that Efi, you refuse. Already gave you a son.
Hey, but my wife is not Efi.
How can Efi give you a son?
Stop calling my wife Efi.
How can Hippopo give you a son?
She is not Hippopo.
I was telling you that time, you tell me you like them big. You like them big. Now you are complaining. You need a son. Let's go and get married to young, beautiful women. At least you can get one from Anam.
But please, please, this will be the very first and last time you will stand before me and call my wife Efi or Hippopo.
Let's go!
One name loy. Eriri one eto logo aya owe. Eriri one eto logo aya owe. Fatwa. I remember the last time you came with your friend. I told you that something is hanging on your wife's neck. That thing is what they went to remove. But I will not sit here to tell you if she will come back alive. Because the journey is a bloody one. Or have you seen anyone that went into the jungle and come back alive?
Akataka, please. I want my wife to come back alive. What will I do? Ebe is a good woman. Yes, she has a good heart. I cannot wish her dead because we are losing our children and she left to be among those that will liberate our village. Please, Akataka, what do I do? I want her to come back alive.
As I speak with you, they are still on their journey. I don't know what will happen because the girls are not showing me anything ahead. It is only Agadi wine that can say, but she won't. All I can see is blood. hovering over that journey. But be courageous. Your wife may succeed. Yes, it is not also bad if you go to see your in-laws. As you asked earlier, Makanasi, Ogomado, Bwanea.
Thank you. Thank you, Akatasha.
You may leave.
Thank you.
Jubileambuta. You may go.
There are other people that will follow you to the girl's house. Even Doka says he's still waiting for his wife, who I'm sure will not come back. That's his own.
Mama, where my mother? I want to go and see her.
Hey, Ikpa.
Your mother followed some people to an evil forest. Until she comes back, that is when you see her. For now, Mama will be taking care of you. Do you hear that? Good.
Hey, Papa, can't I go and see her there?
Can you imagine? You don't want to go to the evil forest? Ikem, you're asking me where is the evil forest? You want to come on? Why we go inside? Go inside, my friend. Where is the evil forest? Can I go and see her? Motegi. At this age, in a evil forest. Mama, I will call Chiokike to follow me and see my new wife and the father. Yes, at least we will discuss the issue of what do they call it? List.
Okay. Have you discussed with the girl and she agreed?
If she didn't agree, why I be here telling you that I will go and call? She agreed in full. And I even explained to her about my former wife, and I told her that I have a son. Mama, I explained everything to her and she agreed. Yes, she agreed in full. Yes, because Mama, you know me, I'm a very open person. I say it the way it is, so that tomorrow she won't come here and be telling me, you didn't tell me you have a former wife, you didn't tell me this. Just like Mazi Marife. And the second wife you got from Ogono. Every day they will be quarreling. You didn't tell me you have 20 children. You didn't tell me you have this. I don't want such a thing. That is why I'm very open. I explained everything to her. Simple.
That is good now. So that she cannot come and say she did not know.
Mama, can you imagine my son telling me that she wants to go to the forest? I want to come one.
Holy boy, mono.
Ha!
Hey!
Okay.
No, no, no!
My sisters, this is Igi Forest. We are very close to it. All we have to do now is to breeze up, put more effort, get into that forest, find the grave and leave. Please.
I keep asking myself this question. How do we know where our sister was buried when we say? Zanonum, how do we know? Honestly, I see this our journey ending in vain. It's you.
Shut up! Shut up! Which journey are you seeing to be in vain? Huh? It's your own journey that will be in vain, not ours. Are you okay?
Tadima. Why should you open your mouth and ask Adamma to shut up? Why?
Adamma, why wouldn't I ask you to shut up when you are here putting all our effort to be negative? Let me tell you this. If you don't have anything positive to contribute to this very journey, then see your lips! What is wrong with you?
Are you aware that I am not your mate? Are you aware that I got married before you? Are you equally aware that I got pregnant and felt the pain of childbirth before you? And you stood here, open your stupid mouth, your miserable mouth, to ask Muabadam to shut up. Well, we shall see.
Thank you.
We shall see too.
Odemma, no, very good, wonderful performance. I want to understand the meaning of this nonsense. This rubbish now, I want to understand it. Yeah, both of you want us to leave what we came here for. The issue is that I do not have anything to say to both of you. I don't.
Adamma, Tademma, all I can say is that you both should not forget why we are here. You should remember that we are all fighting the same cause.
Exactly.
We are tied with one cord. Please let us proceed in this journey with one spirit, like we've always been. Please.
We are all sisters. When someone from Amuda dies, we all come from our various husbands' houses and assemble in the same roof as Umada. Why didn't the entire community make selection from every village? Why didn't Agadi Nwaye call on other women from the community to go for this? But us, sisters, same blood, we grew up together, fetched water together, went for firewood together, and mind you, we never selected age bracket. So why don't we put bitterness aside? Let's put bitterness aside and move on.
Yes.
Pikun.
Tadima should tender an apology to Adamma. You just do not insult your senior because she was chosen to go on the same task with us. Adamma, please, forgive her.
Ada, I'm sorry. I didn't see it as an insult. You are my sister. Please forgive me, I'm sorry. Please. Go. You're my sister. Forgive her, Forgive her. Oh yeah, now go. Let's go. Let's proceed. Let's This is exactly what Ebube has been looking for, and she has seen it. She has seen it. I don't know why all of them in their family are always proving stubborn. Why? Why? Just look at how we just lost Ebube and Nkem. Hey! Ifesinachi, why are your tears very close to your eyelids? Why? Why are you crying? It seems in your previous life you had a heart of stone. And now you have a very soft heart. Why are you crying for them? Ebube and Nkem do not deserve your tears. They do not. They have chosen their path. Let them go. They've gotten what they wanted. You don't need to cry.
Chigo, take it easy. We are talking about our sisters here. And don't forget that Nkem and Ifesinachi are cousins.
And so? Eh? I want them to stay away from those little spirits that was claiming to be Dogadi. But they wouldn't listen to me. They wouldn't just listen. I'm sure by now they must have turned into their spiritual bushmeats. Me? I won't cry. I refuse to cry. Hey! I'm tired of this journey. I can't continue. Oh my gosh. Calm down. Hey! You have to continue. You don't stand up, please. People don't come again. Hi! Stand up. Biko.
I am beginning to lose hope in these women's return. But I had a terrible dream last night. A very terrible one. I dreamt where these women faced a lot of challenges. And it was just one person that returned. Okay. So I don't think I've lost hope.
Thank the gods. Ndoka, thank the gods that your senses are coming back.
How?
When I was telling you that the survivor is not sure, you were doubting me. Better start negotiating for a new wife. Yes.
Okay. What about the new wife?
No. I don't want to talk about that girl.
Eh?
Please.
What happened? How?
Imagine that girl. That I am expired.
Ikuskwana.
She said that I am expired. She called me an expired human being. She said she needs a more younger and active person. Yes.
I don't understand.
I am telling you, that is what she told me to my face.
She said you were inspired.
Look at these girls say so many things. That I have gotten a son, that my marriage has been for years. Now look at my hair, white everywhere. Look at my afono, white everywhere. That you need to see the shape of her mouth.
Are you serious?
You need to see the idiot standing before Ipa, opening her mouth and saying so many things.
Yeah. This is very serious, so.
Ndoka, am I old? No. Look at me. Am I not a vibrant young man? Ndoka, let her go. I'm eyeing a more fresh girl.
Hey, you know you are my friend. And I should advise you on the right thing to do. If you must remarry, marry a woman that is within your age bracket. Rather than going for these small ones that are calling you.
Who are you to advise me? Huh? Is it my fault that you married that buffalo? Was I the one that advised you to marry that cow? Why are you advising me? Yes!
You called my wife a buffalo?
Your wife is a far.
My wife? A cow?
Yes!
Look at the way you are insulting yourself. Small girls in this village calling you an expired man. No wonder they said you expired. I can see it.
But you know I'm not expired.
You are expired.
No.
Ipa, you are expired. Listen to me if you don't know. Anytime you start seeing white hairs on your head and on your jaw, just know that expiration is at the corner. And look at it. All over your face.
It is wisdom. It is known as wisdom.
Wisdom?
Yes. This is wisdom.
Expiration.
If you don't know.
Expired man. That is what you are.
Ikuku, we invited you here to find out the fate of our daughters. Have they got into the Igrigi forest? If not, are they still alive? And when are they coming back? We want to find out, please.
Your Majesty, we all are aware before their departure that Igrigi forest is a dead zone. We know how dreaded Igrigi forest is. We all are aware that it's the gods of procreation that sent our daughters on this very mission. Why can't we keep our hands crossed and allow the gods to have their way?
What is the situation now? Are they safe?
Your Majesty, I beg to take my leave. But I must warn, let the gods have their way.
Igwe, we sent our daughters on a deadly mission. And it is our duty to know how they are faring. Asking Ikuku, the eye of the gods, on their whereabouts should not make him stand stupid.
Watch your tongue. Is it Ikuku you are referring to like that? Who told you he sounded stupid? Eh?
Are you not here? Eh? Did he answer my question?
He did not answer it. How can he neglect a simple question from Aniche? Igwe, we must learn how to caution anyone that errs, regardless that he is Ikuku.
Okay, it's all right. I think Ikuku answered the question with a warning signal.
Oh.
You know, these things are things of the gods. It's a spiritual matter. Though he is one of us, but he is the eye of the gods. So I don't think he has erred.
Please, my sisters, I am very happy that we all did this to save our sisters and our unborn babies. I am equally happy that we brought our minds to do this. Nkemakonam and Ebube, they sacrificed their lives. What are we going to tell the people at home about our police sisters?